So we have to put our first problem into slope-intercept form. So to find our m, we are going to do the slope formula. That is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then we're going to plug in our points. So negative 5 minus 1 over negative 6 minus 3. So I'm going to do plus positives on those because that just helps me better understand what I'm supposed to be doing. So then we have negative 6 over negative 9. Divide that by 3 because they're both divisible by 3. And we get negative 2 over negative 3. That is our m. So next, we have to find our b to put it in y plus n plus b form. So you're going to make your line of numbers, I guess. Y, m, x, b. And I'm going to go with this one. So my y is negative 5. My slope is negative 2/3. My x is, sorry for the voice. My x is negative 6. So negative 5 equals 2/3. 6 plus b. Negative 5 equals so negative 2/3 times 6 equals 4 plus b. So then subtract 4 from both sides. So 5 minus 4 equal b equals negative 9. Because that had a negative. So negative 9 is your b. So then now we have to put it in slope-intercept form. So we're going to just do because you don't need the 5 and whatever. So now we're going to put it in the actual form. So y equals negative 2/3 x minus 9. That is it. That is the whole problem. That is the first one. Now we get on to the next ones. And as you can see, this one wasn't super hard, so it's pretty simple. Now we have to put it in point slope form. So we already know our y or our m is 2/3. So the form, the equation for point slope is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And we already said that our x1s and our y1s were these. So x1, y1. So these are going to be our problem. These are going to fit into our x and y's. So y minus 1 equals negative 2/3 times x minus 3. So then we have to distribute. So it would be negative 2/3 x minus 2. So y minus 1. Let me just move this down real quick so it's not in the way. And then we have to move this over, so it would be plus 2/3 x plus 2/3 x. So we don't need that anymore there. So y minus 1 equals negative 2 plus 1. Y equals negative 1, because we had a negative, so that is that. Oh, I just realized I'm starting to write this in standard form. all you really had to do was this. It's pretty much just the problem you had to do. I kind of went dramatically extra, almost put it in standard form, which is what I'm about to do now. So from what you got from here, this is pretty much what we're about to do down here. So let's rewrite that. So y minus 1 equals negative 2/3 x. Nope. Times x minus 3. So equals negative 2/3 x minus 2. Y minus 1. So we have to add 2/3 x plus 2/3 x. So then we have y minus 1 equals negative 2. Add 1 plus 1. So it's not negative. We're going to, when we subtract, when we add it, we're really subtracting. So y equals negative 1. So then we have 2/3 x plus 1y plus y equals negative 1. And that would be our standard form. Then this would be our point slope, and this is our y, our slope-intercept. I hope this is all correct, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.